Hey guys, it's Kirby back from Crunch TV, chilling at Fan Expo 2021, and right now we are joined with quite an amazing cosplayer. Let him know what you're dressed up as and everything.
Well, I'm dressed up as Kaeya from Genshin Impact.
And he's doing it right. So let us know, firstly, how are you enjoying the con so far? I know it's been like 2 years since the last convention here in Toronto. How does it feel?
It's refreshing. I know it's the whole mask thing, blah blah blah.
Right.
But the fact that we actually get to do this again and just up in public and just meet random people,
Absolutely.
that's what it comes to.
So tell us about your cosplay process. Like, was this purchase, anything made? How did that go about?
So this was originally purchased from Doki Doki. The issue was I ripped the back, first time wearing a wig, first time styling the wig to this degree. Some other things resewing to fit the right size.
Of course, every time we have a cosplay, it's always best to have a test process to make sure everything fits well. So let us know, what do you think is a great piece of advice that you give to up-and-coming cosplayers or convention goers out there who wants to join our hobby?
Do someone you like. Dress up someone you like, because you're gonna give that one 100% if you can, right?
Absolutely.
It's part of it's like going through it with passion, because sometimes you get to those points where there's hiccups, right?
Yeah.
I ripped this thing, I can't make this thing, but then you just really like the character enough to push yourself forward. And once you get everything all set, like this was, it's a great feeling.
Absolutely. So lastly, please let the world know where can we find you on social media platforms.
You can find me on Instagram at Tosa, or also Twitter at Tosa.
Yeah, sweet. So thank you for joining us here at Crunch TV at Fan Expo 2021. Don't forget, guys, if you can dream it, you can make it, you can become it, just like this right here.